that time of the year again. Actually, I'm dyeing my hair like the second time this year, so let's get started. Let me show you what like each of the box comes in with. Here we have a blonder powder, which I'm gonna use 2 because I have 2 packs. So I have a blonder powder, a developer, which is to mix with the blonder powder, a colorant cream, and because this is red, so you also mix a developer with the colorant cream, which I'm gonna keep them both separately because the colorant one is 9% and this one is I think 6%, so it's different volumes, so we're gonna keep them separately. A brush, this streak brush thingy, gloves, and shine on conditioner. I'm gonna use this ceramic bowl to color my hair. In case you're trying to like dye your hair just like me, don't use a metal bowl. The bleach will react with the metal and I don't know what will happen, but please use plastic or ceramic. What is this, you may ask? I have just sectioned my hair into 3 parts on each side, so like 6 sections, and even these, when I'm gonna apply bleach, I'm just gonna like divide them, simply just scrunch them up so that the smaller the sections, I've realized, the more effectively I can apply bleach and it will work better there. So this part, this section, I want them to be a little longer so they're thinner and different, and these are like a regular old, like just at the ends I just want like, and they already have dye here, so I hope the bleach will be easier. I will not be able to film in different angles and all because this bleach is like really hard to like use it, because you have to use the bleach in like 10 to 15 minutes of like taking it out and mixing it. Now we're gonna cut the blonder powder. Ooh. Oh my god. Okay, so this is how the bleach and the whole mix looks like. I think this much is enough. So we're done with one strand and we're going to do all the rest now. Okay, we're done with 3 and we have 1, 2, 3, 3 more to go. Halfway through. You know, I don't want to be on Brad Mondo's channel for like a horrible hair experience. I don't want to be that girl who used to relaxer and like went bald. Does anyone remember that? That happened in like 2015 or something. It was a big thing. She went bald and then she cried and then people sent her wigs and stuff. We have officially dyed all 6 sections of my hair. Now we're gonna wait for 40 minutes. I know the pack says 30 minutes, but I feel like last time I waited for 30 minutes and it like didn't work that well, so I'm gonna wait longer.
1 hour later.
Wow, this really is a very fashionable moment right here. I'm gonna wash my hair off with lukewarm water now because it's been an hour. I actually let it stay for longer. Let's see how this goes. This is how the bleach has turned out in all sections of the hair. I don't know if it's visible that well on the camera. I really like the bleach strands and how they've turned out here. So the color is gonna sit well, and even here. So let's dry our hair. So even as I dry my like hair, I'm gonna keep this section so that I know which part is like more bleached and it needs more color and all of that. So I realized this is a much better place to film. The lighting's really nice. It's dark outside, so we need light now. So we're gonna film here. Now, can we talk about my whole hair? It's dried. And this is how the bleach has worked. Last time it did not look this golden and bleachy. It looked very brown and I was like, oh my god, it's done. So the next step is to apply colorant on my hair. So we have a packet of the colorant cream with a developer that I've got. So we're gonna mix these in a bowl and apply it to our dry hair. So the colorant cream looks in this color, and then I think we have to put the developer and the red color will arrive. I am mixing the colorant and the developer, and so far it looks like a brown paste. So we're gonna keep mixing. I'm still mixing in the hopes that it will turn into like red or something. But the more I mix, the more purple it has got. So maybe it will go on my hair and turn into red. Or maybe I'll have purple hair. Doesn't look bad though. Purple looks like a nice color. But I think it'll change into a different color. So we're gonna start putting the color on our hair. It's getting darker as the time passes. Dude, it's like thick purple. Okay, so I've colored all the sections of my hair and I've put foil on them again. I noticed that on some parts of my hand and stuff where the color got like on me, it's turning red. So it is red, thank God. So I'm just gonna let this stay on my hair for like 40 minutes, 45 minutes or so, and then I'm gonna wash it off. But it's gonna be the same old process. So now I'm gonna like show you guys the final look, which I'm not gonna do it today. I'm gonna like style my hair and stuff and everything tomorrow. So you guys will see in the next clip how my hair looks like. What have we done? Y'all, this looks so good. The front strands actually make it look like I have my whole hair colored, but it's just like the front thing. But it looks like I've colored the whole thing, but then later I can like use these as layers. I've not put my whole hair in the front, but this is how it looks like. It just looks so good. I am so happy with this. We have learned a lesson, y'all. So that is it for this video. Yeah, thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys soon.